morning everyone, welcome to the homework portal. So this is the day 3 and we are solving the 4th September, which is today, Wednesday's paper. And we already seen the previous two papers, paper 1, that is the problem 1, and problem 2. The first one was on forces, second one was on projectile motion, and the third one is about momentum, energy and power, which we have already done in the class. Okay. So this particular question, this 1 and 3 totally accounts for 4 marks. So I am going to solve this in 4 minutes. Okay, in this Principia Mathematica, Newton expressed this third law of motion as to every, where is my pen? Okay, as to every action there is an equal and opposite equal reaction. State what Newton meant by the law. So what is it? Okay, very easy statement. So you just need to write that action and the reaction are equal and opposite, and when a force acts on a body, an equal and opposite force, acts on the other body. So you have already explained it, you stated, and then also you have explained over here. Okay, this will give you 1 mark. Next, a book is released from rest. Okay, u equal to 0 and falls over the surface of the earth, right? So it is like this now. So this is the earth. Now you are making it fall from here, and then discuss how the conservation of momentum applies to the earth book system. Okay, so if I just ask, can you apply the conservation of momentum for the book? The definite answer is no, because you know when it comes here, the velocity is increasing, and moreover it's because of the external force. But when you say about the earth book system, which means what? You consider the whole thing over here, right? Now when you consider the whole thing over here, so there is no net force acting on the full system here, right? There is no net force acting on it. So you can say gravity of sun acts on it, but this is merely smaller. So therefore definitely this whatever action is happening over here, according to the system definition, is nothing but your internal forces. Internal force. Now what is the internal force here? See, the book is getting attracted by the earth's gravity, okay, which is a force acting downwards. Similarly, the book is attracting the earth with an upward force, okay, with a force of gravity due to the book on the earth. So that you can say F book due to earth is equal to minus F earth due to book. Right, now this was 3 marks over here, and the command term is discussed over here. The first thing is you mention, since it's an earth book system, the forces that are acting on it is all internal forces. Hence FB is equal to minus FEB. 1 mark done. Then now you can also write here what you can write. You can write PF minus P initial of book earth system is equal to minus of PF minus P initial of divided by time taken of earth book system. So TT goes away here. So what do I have here? I can now say PF of book earth plus PF of earth book is equal to, now when it goes that side, this once again becomes PF of book earth, right? PI of book earth plus PI of earth book, which means what? Initial momentum of the earth book system plus initial momentum of the book earth system is equal to the final momentum of them, right? Which means what? This gives you the essence of the conservation of momentum, right? And finally you can say, thus if earth book system is considered, earth book is considered as one system, then conservation of momentum is observed or applied. Okay, I have taken more than 4 minutes anyway. We are able to complete this. Okay, the next problem we will see it in the next video.